To celebrate the Jubilee Bank Holiday weekend, I'm going to show you how to make this incredible Coronation chicken pizza. The recipe Poulet Reine Elizabeth, more commonly known as Coronation chicken, was first invented in 1953 to celebrate the coronation of Queen Elizabeth II. I've taken this historic recipe, elevated it a bit and added loads of spice and fresh flavours to make this pizza absolutely incredible.
To start with, you want to make your spiced tomato sauce. Heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan over a medium heat, and then finely slice your onion. Add this to your pan and cook for approximately 3 minutes until the onion is soft. Add the curry powder and then cook for a further 2 minutes, making sure the spices don't burn to avoid them becoming bitter. Add 200 grams of chopped tomatoes, apricot jam, a splash of red wine, 1 bay leaf, and the juice of 1 lemon. Season with salt and pepper, and then simmer for approximately 15 minutes over a medium heat until the sauce has thickened and most of the moisture has evaporated. Remove from the heat and then add the double cream. Gently stir this in and put to one side, allowing the sauce to cool completely. To make the Coronation dressing, mix together in a bowl equal amounts of mayonnaise and creme fraiche, along with apricot jam, curry spices, and cinnamon. This will be used to drizzle over the finished pizza. I also like to keep some on the side so people can dip their crusts in. Make sure your pizza oven's up to temperature. Ideally, I like it to be approximately 430 degrees C. Now you want to stretch your pizza dough. Place a dough ball on a lightly floured work surface. Push the air from the centre of your dough ball out to the edge with your fingers. Stretch the dough out to form a 12-inch base. I like to use the back of my hands to gently lift the dough and pull outwards. Place the spiced tomato sauce in the centre of your pizza and spread evenly, leaving 1 to 2 centimetres of crust. Top generously with cooked chicken. Ideally, I like to roast mine in my Ooni as I get way more flavour. A recipe detailing how to spatchcock a chicken and cook it in the oven can be found on the Ooni website. Once topped with chicken, slide the pizza into the oven and cook for 60 to 90 seconds. Once cooked, top with your Coronation dressing, loads of flaked almonds which gives it a great crunch, chopped coriander, and then finally some lemon zest.
That is amazing. The flavours of the Coronation dressing, that tomato and cream sauce, the spice in there is lovely. You've got the apricot jam, the lemon. If you get a chance to make this at home, I hope you do. If you want the recipe, check it out on the Ooni website.